this thing moves the hell
It got some power. It definitely got some power,
It's
man.
got some power. What's the setup on the car?
Well, we got a HEMI, man, with a 32-inch tire, big tire car, twin turbo. We got a Liberty 5-speed with a Bruno, and we get after it, man. We get after it.
Well, yeah, dude. I'll tell you that. Yeah, no kidding, dude. This thing's fast as hell. Congratulations on your win in the first round. We'll see you guys in the second round.
Thank you, baby. Appreciate it.
Hell yeah. Boddie almost hit the wall right at the starting line, but Lizzie was making a pass, and she had timing equipment. If you had timing equipment, it means you crossed, which means Boddie moves on. I guess sometimes it's better to be lucky than fast.
Lucky than good, yep. We had fuel getting all on the tires. It was ugly, man, but we got the win.
There you go.
Moving on. We're trying to fix this, see what we can do.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Good luck, man.
Carried it out. That's how you win a drag race right there. Let me tell you what.
Do you have any idea how close that was?
Yeah, man. My car got out. He almost got. Look at that. Look, I told you, almost caught me. Look.
Half a fender, dude. Half a fender. If that race was any further, he might have got you. But dude, that was close.
I thought I had him, and I didn't hear him because he's a blower car. That's why I didn't pedal. So I kind of gauged it. I was gonna pedal, but I think I got it.
Yeah.
And he almost caught me. I almost.
Yeah, dude. Good race, man.
Yeah,
Hell yeah.
race.
Hell yeah. Well, guys, the curfew for the track is 10 p.m. It's a very strict curfew. It is currently 10:01 p.m. So, it looks like they're still thrashing to get their cars up to the starting line, and they don't really care about a curfew. They want to get this race done. We want to see this race get done. We do not want to tell you guys, hey, sorry, they split the money in the finals. No, we don't want to see that shit. So, hopefully they get this thing going. They get them up to the starting line, and we see a badass race. Because Boddie versus Kai in the final is going to be a badass race. Boddie, we getting this done?
West Coast, baby. We got to represent Kai. He came out here all the way from motherfucking Mississippi. We got to send him back with an L, baby. I can't let him come to Cali and get no wins. It's my house.
Hell yeah.
Motherfucking right.
Team Boddie, baby. Team Boddie.
Yo, man, what happened?
Car, something going on. We got gremlins, man. Just cut off twice.
Damn, dude.
It happens.
That's racing, man, right?
Yeah. That's racing, man. That's what we do it for.
Talk about blue balls. There was Boddie had some gremlins in his car. He bumped through the beams. That's shitty. That sucks. It's racing, but that still sucks. I do have to say that Boddie's car was having trouble all week. Like yesterday, they barely got the car started. Today, they got it started and got it to the lanes right before the first round. If Boddie wasn't driving the car, his crew was thrashing on it. So I gotta say props to Boddie and his crew for getting the car all the way to the finals. The gremlins just caught up to him, and that's just racing. But
yeah, hey, no, you won the race. I was in the race, but what I want to do is finish the race.
You don't want that second race to be.
No, I wasn't in the race. I wasn't.
Hey, the reason why I killed my car because I didn't want to accidentally break the beam.
Right, I seen that.
I was gonna do you that way.
Right.
And then when I said let's race, when they cranked it over, he said wrong. I said, oh hell. And he finally busted off. Man, one day on trip, both our cars went right. We didn't get to make the pass. You never got to make the pass.
That was a good race though. We had fun.
Man, y'all got good people out here. They wanted to do it.
Hey, we love y'all out here, man. Anytime, man.
It's a long ride, but it's
It's a long ride. It's fun, man.
yeah. Hey, I get to take a picture with that belt.
Yeah, oh yeah, you get that.